Alright, before we move on to the main material, I would like to invite all of you to pause and think for a moment. Every year, millions of hectares of forest around the world continue to disappear due to human activity. In fact, forests are not merely collection of trees, but vital support systems that are essential for maintaining the balance of ecosystem. Therefore, in this discussion, I will discuss the impacts of deforestation on ecosystem and explain why we need to protect forest sustainability. To make this presentation easier to follow, the material is divided into three main parts. First, I will explain the definition of deforestation. Second, I will discuss the impacts of deforestation on ecosystem. And finally, I will present the conclusion of this discussion. Next, definition of deforestation. Moving on the first topic, deforestation is the large-scale removal or clearing of forests, which is generally carried out to convert land for human activity. These activities include agricultural expansion, illegal logging, infrastructure development, mining, and forest fires. Next, the impact of deforestation on the ecosystem. After understanding the definition of deforestation, the next discussion focus on its impact on ecosystem. Deforestation does not only result in the loss of trees, but also triggers damage to complex and interconnected ecological system, thereby disrupting overall environmental balance. Next, impacts number one, loss of biodiversity. One of the main impacts of deforestation is the loss of biodiversity. Forest destruction causes many species to lose their habitats and food sources disrupt food chains, ensuring the rise of species extinction, especially endemic species, and less to the loss of genetic resource that are potential important for future research and medical development. Next, climate change and global warming. In addition to affecting biodiversity, deforestation also contributes significantly to climate change and global warming. Forests act as carbon sinks, meaning they absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. However, when forests are cleared, the carbon stored in trees is released back into the air and increases greenhouse gas emissions. Based on global data, the energy sector is the largest contributor to carbon emission at around 73%, while the agriculture and forest sector contributes approximately 18%, followed by industry at 6% and waste at 3%. This data show that deforestation and land use change play a significant role in increasing carbon emission, which leads to rising global temperatures and more frequent extreme weather events. Next, the description of the water cycle. Another important impact is the description of the water cycle. Forests play a crucial role in the transpiration process, which help from clouds and rainfall. When forests and destroyed, rainfall patterns become unpredictable, increasing the risk of floods during the rain season and droughts during the dry season. Next, soil erosion and land degradation. Besides affecting climate and water system, deforestation also has a direct impact on soil condition. The loss of forest vegetation makes the soil more vulnerable to erosion, reduce soil fertility, and leads to land degradation. This condition can destroy agricultural productivity and certain food security. Next, the conclusion. Based on this discussion, It can be concluded that deforestation is a global environmental problem with varying impacts. These impacts include biodiversity loss, accelerated climate change, disruption of the water cycle, and land degradation. Therefore, forest conservation efforts are essential to maintain ecosystem balance and ensure sustainability in the future. Closer. As a closing remark, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ubay Badrin Mustafa. I am student Ahmad Dahlan University Biology Study Program with student identification number 250001703. Okay, thank you.